automatically do this, which pulls the front of the barrel up a little bit. You shoot a little high. So, just you gotta cock it. It's not cocked. All the way down. Wait. Grab that. There you go. Careful.
Hold your breath.
Still a little bit high. Let me try it one time, make sure it's not just shooting high.
No, it's fine. He scared them.
Slowly, didn't he? That actually would help you. Wait a minute. Hold it. Take the finger off the trigger. Put this hand out just a little bit further, not to where you're feeling comfortable. Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready.
Easier for me to lay down.
Huh?
Yeah, but you can't see if you lay down.
Yeah, see, the problem is if you lay down, because of that, you can't even see them. You can get up there closer. Let's get up closer. What about right here? Right like this.
Yeah, lay down now.
Like that, you probably do better. Now, don't put your finger on it's cocked. Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to shoot. All right.
Yay!
Good job. Little high.
Whoa!
Don't
Don't cock, don't cock.